Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sapphire Radeon RX 7800XT 1 edition. So friends, the special edition graphics card inspired by popular free-to gameplay called Once Human and the Unreal Engine 5 game can be played casually and competitive depending on the chosen scenarios, and its survival game filled with mysterious deviants. And if you haven't tried it yet, I recommend checking it out. It's good grade and features upscaling tech from all major GPU brands, and the graphics card is based on the Pure Series RX 7800XT model, and it features a full level 32 GPU and 16 GB of VRAM with small overclock at 2460 MHz. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.